Hi everyone, welcome to the Yonsei FLI podcast. I am Gian Grosso. Today I have another conversation expression for you. This is kind of a casual expression, but we could also use it in a somewhat formal setting. It has to do with directions or getting started. The expression today is, could you point me in the right direction? Could you point me in the right direction? Well, what does this mean? Well, it has the word direction in it, so we have the idea that it has something to do with starting or going somewhere. Have you ever been lost in a city? I know I have many times. Sometimes I'm looking at the map and the map is very difficult to read, but I know a few landmarks. So I can ask a stranger or a tour guide, or someone who I see, a police officer, to help me. I might ask them for a specific place. For example, I'm trying to get to this main market. Can you point me in the right direction? Or I'm trying to find an area of the city with some really good food. Can you point me in the right direction? Literally, this means, can you direct me or can you guide me, get me started to where I want to go? Now, although this is mainly a direction term, we don't have to use it for only physical location and directions. We could also use it to get started on a project. Let's say that you have to write a very long research paper. As we all know, it can be very overwhelming to look at the entire research paper. Sometimes even choosing the topic is a little bit overwhelming. So you might ask a friend or you might ask your professor to help point you in the right direction, to give you some guidance on where to begin your process. Another variation of this is, can you point me to something? So let's say that you want to learn a new skill. Maybe you want to learn woodworking, or you want to learn origami, or you want to learn cooking. You could ask someone, can you point me to a good cooking book? Could you point me to a good place to start? All of these expressions essentially mean, help me get started. So, if I could point you guys in the right direction as you are learning English, I could point you to a great place to pick up some conversational language and some academic as well as business language here at the Yonsei FLI. I hope to see you there. Thank you again for listening. This is Gian Grosso, and I will see you guys soon.